First things first, let's go take a look at what you get in the box. Alright, let's get this smartwatch out of the box. Cut our sealing tape right here. There we go. Right out of the top, it looks really nice. Some nice foam in there. We have a screen protector on the top. Overall, it feels very nice. The band feels really good. And on the back side, we have our sensors. Side, we have a few buttons. And it is very solid all the way around. A solid feeling. Let's see what else we get in the box. We have our USB cable. Some paperwork, our charging plate, and a wrist sizer. And that seems to be everything you get right out of the box.